Why don't senior men play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when your elastic waist pants are always peeking out over the top. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on men's elastic waist pants for seniors. Tip 1. Consider the right size. Purchasing the right size of pant for a perfect fit is crucial. Elastic waist pants offer more flexibility, however. Knowing the right waist and length measurements will ensure comfort and avoid any sagging or too tight pants. You can measure your waist and inseam yourself or have a professional measure for you. Tip 2. Quality is key. As with any article of clothing, the quality of the pants will dictate their longevity and comfort. Opt for higher quality materials and good workmanship. This might mean spending more up front, but it will likely save money in the long run because the pants will last longer. Tip 3. Prioritize comfort. Choosing pants that not only fit you correctly but also are comfortable to wear is of utmost importance for seniors. Elastic waist pants are often designed with comfort in mind, featuring materials that are lightweight, flexible, and breathable. Tip 4. Understand the maintenance requirements. Check the care label to understand the maintenance requirements of the pants. Ideally, opt for pants that are machine washable and don't require any special treatment. This will ensure easy washing and no extra costs. Tip 5. Know the return policy. When shopping online, make sure to familiarize yourself with the return policy of the store. Should the pants not fit correctly or fail to meet your expectations, it will be beneficial to be able to return or exchange them. Tip 6. Choose versatility. Opt for colors and designs that are more versatile. Neutral colors like black, navy, and khaki can be paired with different types or colors of tops for different occasions. Tip 7. Watch for the elasticity. The elasticity of the pants should be substantial enough to hold them up, but not so tight that it's uncomfortable or leaves marks on the skin. Make sure to try on the pants before purchasing to check for this. Tip 8. Pay attention to the number of pockets. The number of pockets may not seem essential, but for senior men who like to carry their wallets, keys, or other necessities, having enough pocket space is a boon. Tip 9. Waistband consideration. The type of waistband also matters. A full circular elastic waistband is often more comfortable for seniors as it can adjust according to their waistline and does not dig into their belly. Tip 10. Opt for pull-on styles. Pull-on styles of elastic waist pants are typically the most convenient for seniors. They eliminate the need to button or zip, making dressing and undressing easier. Tip 11. Check for quality stitching. For any piece of clothing, the stitching is a good indicator of overall quality. Make sure the stitching around the seams and hems is secure and without visible flaws. This will improve the durability of the pants, allowing them to withstand regular wear and wash.